Hey, this is a new AR microwhoop from Beginner FPV, and with a cheap FPV to USB adapter, I can fly the drone on my Quest 3 VR headset, and the whole setup was so easy. You can see I can switch between the flight modes. Basically, AR means I'm flying acro mode now, with a full manual controls, and I can do all kinds of FPV tricks. And this is right out of the box. I just quickly plugged the drone battery like 3 times and clicked bind button on my controller, installed FUAV app on my headset, plugged the USB adapter, and I'm flying in less like 10 minutes. Every button on the controller is working from ARM to switching the modes, and drone has 3 modes by the default. I'm flying in the air, and it flies like a real FPV drone, and there are 2 more beginner modes with self-leveling. By the way, the drone is flying incredibly well. There is a big wind today, and I'm surprised I can fly this tiny drone at all in these strong wind conditions. So we got a first crash test, and I just rearm the drone, and it just carries on as nothing has happened. So this is looking better and better for beginners, just how easy to use and cheap the whole Beginner FPV kit is. That includes even this premium Pro radio controller at 80 euros. And one more crash test, they blame the strong wind. It is not good for flying drones. But I click a button on and a drone starts beeping, making it easier to find it. Seems like 0 damage again. Yeah, it just continues flying like nothing, literally a perfect beginner microwhoop. Fly, crash, fly all day long. So yeah, it flies really well even in these terrible wind conditions. It is super easy to get flying using Beginner FPV radio. I did not even need to bring a computer or change any settings. Everything is ready to fly out of the box. And the price is super beginner friendly. The whole drone, radio and batteries were like 200 euros total. This is with a premium radio model already. There is a light radio version and it's like half the price. But I like this Hall sensor gimbals and Bluetooth joystick function for the PC using this Pro radio model. But you can fly with both light and Pro radios in VR chat or any drone simulator on a PC. And I just made a video about that recently. And if you want to upgrade to a real drone after flying in those simulators, this might be the best cheap and easy beginner-friendly option in 2025. Plus FPV to USB adapter for the Quest headset is like 30 euros only. Again, all links will be in the video description, so check them out and happy flying. By the way, flying with a Quest headset is so nice. I like it more even when flying my expensive DJI FPV setup, which cost thousands of euros, and I still cannot just spin a virtual window like this using the DJI goggles. Plus Quest lenses are like the best on the market. I have a whole video about DJI micro OLED crap, with blurry lenses and crappy view across the screen. Yeah, I will link that video to you.